Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to build a Jotform store with payment integration. This is incredibly useful if you're looking to sell products or services directly through online forms, making transactions smooth and professional for your customers. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your account without any hiccups. Logging in will take you to your Jotform dashboard where you can manage all your forms and start building new ones. Now look towards the upper left corner of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This section is your central hub for viewing, editing, and organizing all the forms you've created or plan to create. Next, you'll want to start building your store form. Click on Create Form in the upper left portion of the page. You'll be presented with options to either use a template or start from scratch, depending on what suits your needs best. Templates can save you a lot of time, especially if you're new to form building, while starting from scratch gives you complete creative control. For this tutorial, let's use a template. In the left panel, click on Order Forms. This will display a variety of pre-designed order form templates that are specifically tailored for e-commerce and payment collection. Browse through the available options, and when you find one that fits your vision, click Use Template. Give it a few seconds to load as Jotform prepares the template for editing. Once the form builder opens, you'll see your template ready for customization. If you had chosen to create a new form from scratch instead, you would simply click Add Element in the left panel, navigate to the Payments tab, and then select your preferred payment option by clicking or dragging it directly into your form. This flexibility allows you to add payment fields exactly where you need them. Since we're working with a template, the next step is crucial for enabling transactions. Click on Add a Payment Connection. You'll see a field where you need to type in a connection name, something that helps you identify this payment setup later. After entering the name, click Connect with PayPal. This will redirect you to log into your PayPal account, so have those credentials handy as well. Once you've successfully logged in and authorized the connection, click Save to finalize the integration. This step ensures that all payments made through your form will be processed securely through your PayPal account. Before you publish your form and make it live, it's always smart to test it. Click Preview Form in the upper right corner of the page. This allows you to see exactly how your customers will experience the form and verify that the payment integration is working correctly. Test the entire flow to catch any issues before your form goes public. And that's it. You've successfully built a Jotform store with fully integrated payment processing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.